Hi, my name is Jackson Kibler, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meeting. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we will introduce splits in Tableau. So my workbook is connected to the sample Superstore dataset in Excel showing the orders, people, and returns sheets. By dragging orders onto the data pane, we can see the different columns in the sheet as well as the values, a sample of values for those columns. Looking at order ID, we can see that it's a combination of probably a handful of fields. We have the state ID, a year, and maybe a transaction ID. Well, maybe we need that transaction ID by itself for join. So here's where we will use a split. If we click the drop-down arrow by the field and click on split, Tableau recognizes that that dash or the hyphen is a delimiter and will split accordingly. Now you can go and do a custom split where you can identify a specific one, maybe tell it to only do the first or only do the last, and split it into a number of columns that you designate. In this case, the default worked just fine, and we have, let's call this the transaction ID field all by itself. And now if we want to use that as an inner join, it's here available for us. We can call this year, and let's say state country code, because we do see US here. That wraps up today's video on splits in Tableau. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.